What's up, everybody? It's Mark from 403 Fauna. Welcome to another WIYR Wednesday. WIYR is short for what's in your rack, and every Wednesday I like to share with you what's been going on in my rack for the past week. On this week's episode, I wanted to share with you some snakes that I haven't shown you in a while and share with you my plans for them because, as you know, with the addition or subtraction of a snake, it can change the plans. So I hope you kick back and listen in for another episode of WIYR Wednesday. So this right here is Sasha. Sasha is a cinnamon ghost, 100% het genetic stripe. Now previously when I shared her with you, I always mentioned that I really had no plans for the het genetic stripe. But as you know, I've added a lot of genetic stripe to the team here at 403 Fauna, and now she's going to be an integral part to making double, triple, and quadruple visuals in the future. So if you didn't know, Hypo and the dark morphs like Cine and Black Pastel work absolutely well together. And look at this girl, she is stunning. And the fact that she is 100% het genetic stripe is just gonna take my collection to the next level. Take a look at this partial stripe she has on here, indicative of her het genetic stripe. I love the cinnamon head, they are so clean. Look at this, and it's just like frosty chocolate. Man, just crazy how Hypo interacts with the dark genes. So once again, we have Sasha. She is a cinnamon, Hypo or ghost, 100% het genetic stripe. And I think I'm taking Fabio to her, who is a butter desert ghost, 100% het genetic stripe. Can you imagine getting genetic stripes that are double het, Hypo and desert ghost? Man, she is stunner. Now guess who just shed? We have Tatsumaki, the hurricane ball python. I got her from Gray's Reptiles, and this is just an absolute banger example of the hurricane morph. Look at these hurricane patterns going on. Sometimes when you see hurricanes, you know, they might look like a fancy cinnamon, but this girl right here screams hurricane. Check out this popcorning going on the side right here. And, you know, it's kind of underrated how dark and contrasty the hurricanes are, but look at this. Man. And as far as plans, Clown and Hurricane is a safe bet. Desert Ghost Hurricane, safe bet. And you know what? I'll probably go Desert Ghost. I don't want anything to affect the hurricane pattern too much. So I think I'm just going to go with a color change and just straight up Desert Ghost to this. Imagine a Desert Ghost Super Hurricane. What's a Super Hurricane called again? I'm drawing a blank right now. Comment below if you know the name of a Super Hurricane. I think it's the Hayabusa. It's the Hayabusa. Imagine a Desert Ghost Hayabusa. So you got super crazy pattern with just the brightness and contrastness of the Desert Ghost. And she'll probably be able to go the 22-23 season. She's already got some really good size to her, maybe like 700 grams or so. So Gray, thank you so much for her. I'm really excited to have the Hurricane part of the 403 Fauna team here. So once again, Tatsumaki, the hurricane ball python. Up next, we have Ripley, the pastel static. Now I know acids and confusions get all the airplay, but statics are just as beautiful. Look at this girl, pastel static. I got her from Ridley's Royals. And you know, confusions are known for being crazy. This girl, she's known for being an eater. She eats anything you throw at her, frozen, live, pre-killed, whatever. And she has put on a tremendous amount of size. And I bet you she will go in the next breeding season as well. So once again, this is Ripley. She is a pastel static. And what's my plans for her? You're not going to believe this, but I'm going to take genetic stripe to this. And there is one picture on Morph Market of a genetic stripe acid, I believe, and it's crazy. So not much being done with genetic stripe and acid static confusion. So I'm gonna bring that to the table with her. Lastly, I wanted to share with you Durian. Durian is a pastel spot nose het clown. Now today I looked on Morph Market at how many clowns and het clowns there are, and there's over 6,000. So they are by far one of the most popular morphs, perhaps a little oversaturated in the market. Personally, I think they're a little overpriced right now, and supply and demand will catch up with it. And the thing about clowns and het clowns is you gotta be smart with what you put to them. So honestly, I was looking for a male clown, and I'm thinking they have some axanthic het clowns. Can you imagine putting an axanthic het clown with her? You could get pastel spot nose clowns that are 100% het axanthic. Now I was thinking of going the double het route with fire, VPI axanthic to Enchi clown, but you know what? They're pretty affordable, the VPI axanthic clowns and het clowns and so on and so forth. And I would just save myself years in just going that route. So I'm on the lookout for a clown male, whether it's het desert ghost, whether there's hypo clowns that are affordable, pied clowns. You know, I'm not big on the pieds, but yeah, I'm still completely undecided, but I'm thinking of going for a VPI axanthic het clown, which is affordable and will make some pretty powerful babies too. So once again, we got Durian. She is a pastel spot nose het clown. I got her from Unbelievables, which the first snake I shared with you, Sasha, she was also from Unbelievables. So thank you, Todd Joel, for the awesome snakes he produced. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this WIYR Wednesday. Remember, this Sunday is the Super Bowl and I will not have my usual vlog. So please enjoy your Sunday, and I hope your team wins. I have no stake in the game, but I always vote for the underdog, so I'm going to go Bengals. So go Bengals. Have a good one, guys. Take care.